Oga no vex, so look at my face very well. You go see burn. You go see wetin all those things I bought from you. You go see wetin him do my face. You go see burn. Everybody they complain. Everybody they complain. Look at this is real fake. All the tool I bought from you, from face cream to everything, is fake. Look at this one. Because of too much complaint on my own, look at pimples everywhere. I don't have pimples since I started organic. But from that day I bought these things from you, my market has spoiled. People are no more buying everything. People that buy once will never come back again. I normally buy things every week, but this one, all my customers has run away. Nobody is buying again. Look at it. This is pure fake. This is pure fake. Apple vet. Pure fake. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. I will show you the original one that I bought from another place to see what is happening. Look at this one now. This is the original one. This is the original one. You will see the difference. See, this line is here, is at the back too. Look at this your own again. You see how white it is? Have you seen it? This is your own. The line is not on it. This one is not on it because I still bring my old ones I have used to compare with this one that I bought today. It's not good now. I bought something of 60-something thousand naira from you. At the end of the day, I lose all my customers. If you can please, I just want it in a... I have endured. I said, okay, I started selling them because I normally use them to mix organic. Since I'm selling cosmetic things, I started selling them. Anybody that buy will come and show me her face. Like last night, I have very big issue here because I decided that, okay, let it go. Let me sell it off. But instead, the people that bought will still complain. I cannot be able to sell it. If you can help me, let me change the few ones that is remaining. If you have the original one, please. Because they do something good as I buy things once from you. I couldn't buy again. It's not good now. It's not, apart from that this thing I bought from you, that oil, that organic oil I bought from you, that I know that is real. Just have mercy, help me. 3 better cream, all of them, no one, fear. At least fear is remaining 2, but I use it for my this thing. My customers' face, if you see them, oh my God, you just pity me. All those face cream, nothing is real. All is fake. It's not good now. It's not good. It's not good. Check it again. This one is the original. Look at this mark here. Look at this mark here. It shows it's original. Okay, let me show you the 3 better. Look at the 3 better. Look at your 3 better. Look at how it is to show it's very fake. Look at this thing now. It's not even clear. Everything is fake. I don't have strength to show you all because I'm tired. It's not good at all. It's not good. Look at this one now. This one, is that your own? There is no line here. Only line here. But this is clear fake. You cannot compare. Look at the original one. Look at the original one. Look at the original one. Look at your own. This one is your own. You can see it. This one is original and it's very strong. Your own is watering inside.